So one of the interesting things about trying to stage James and the Giant Peach is that it deals with scale. In that, first we have to start with the humans being normal size and the insects being insect size, and then we kind of have to reverse the scale, and we have human-sized insects. So one of the ways we're dealing with that in terms of our insects is that we have found a wonderful set of puppets. So we'll actually have the actors that play those insects will be the puppeteers. And then once James goes into the peach and the insects are life-size, then we have the human actors being the insects. So once the show has come into the shop here to be built, that goes through a whole process of its own, of how do you get from this drawing into an actual physical costume. Well, the director really wanted to start from the point of view of the world of magic and childhood with the world of adulthood. So one being very vibrant and colorful and magical, and one being sort of dark, I guess, is what we were looking at in this particular play. We have the special challenge of how to make insects be played by humans, and how are we going to meet that challenge. And we really decided to focus on the human aspect of the characters. We started by looking at that idea and how we could realize that through the colors of the costumes. We wanted it to be very stylized, heightened, because it's a wonderful magical children's book, but we also wanted to kind of root it in a reality of characters. For example, we knew we wanted to incorporate those ladybug qualities. We also wanted to consider the character of the ladybug, who is sort of the mother figure. She's in shades of red and black. We incorporate polka dot motifs, and where there would be sort of the shape of a shell for the ladybug, we have a little cape. So we do a lot of different things, but the phase from start to finish on a garment is actually a very long process with a lot of different steps in it. It's a very time-consuming process.